right, welcome back. We're going to talk about finding attorneys to market to. So in this video here, we're going to talk about some of the best ways to find attorneys. And again, we're not looking for the attorney that's spending a lot of money on advertising. We're looking for some guys, some gals that want to have more business, are doing some marketing, but just don't quite get it, okay? Google, Yellow Pages, I said Yellow Pages, are great places to go. Google Places. The best is really Craigslist. Now, we're going to be looking for specific attorneys. And the thing that's nice is that you don't really have to, it's not local specific, so you can market for attorneys outside of your local area, especially when you're using Craigslist. Now, if you approach an attorney that's advertising on Craigslist, you know they're going to be more receptive to getting business because they're trying to find an inexpensive way to get business in. And if you can offer them up, say 10 leads for $100, and they're willing to pay for that, test those leads, and once they start getting clients, it'll start to snowball, okay? So really, when you start delivering those leads, it's a win-win result. Here's an example of what an actual Craigslist listing looks like for legal, and it goes through and it has different attorneys that are putting an ad up there. And here's an ad that's run on Craigslist. Pretty simple stuff. Has the contact info, what they do, everything that you need is right there to reach out and send them an email. Another way is through Google Places, and if you have any of my other courses, don't confuse this method with the previous courses, because you're looking for specific people. You're looking for a sole proprietor that maybe don't have a lot of reviews. They love practicing law, but they need clients. I've had a couple of friends that are attorneys that would get out. They got out of the private practice business, went back to work as a prosecutor so they could get a steady paycheck. What we're looking for is attorneys, third, fourth page, further back, single proprietor, no reviews. That's really going to be your sweet spot. Those are attorneys that you can reach out to. They're going to have a website, and you can shoot them an email, and they're going to be very receptive to your email. The thing is, they're not looking for SEO. They're not looking for website, fixing. They're not looking to get, on the first page of Google. They want clients. They want customers, and you're going to be able to deliver this to them. YP.com is another great way to find attorneys to contact. YP, Yellow Pages, again, it's slightly different, but you're looking for sole proprietors. You might look for guys that are spending money where it says ad on the bottom of that YP.com page. But those are great, fantastic places. Paid ads, non-paid ads, but a sole proprietor working in a niche where they're going to actually charge a fee, okay, or a higher fee. So kind of here's an example of looking for attorneys on YP.com. Good reviews, bad reviews, doesn't really matter. You want to focus on, the law office of somebody, okay? So, you want to just basically look for those things, and whether it's, like I said, if it's a paid ad, ad that's, not paid, doesn't really matter. Those are your best people to contact. Chances are, if you live in a larger area like I do, and Kansas City's not a huge city, there's plenty of county seats. Another fantastic way, and it involves getting in your car and just going and walking and having a voice recorder on your phone. Here in the Kansas City metro area, there's 7 counties. There's Johnson, Miami, Wyandotte on the Kansas side, Jackson, Clay, Platte, and Cass on the Missouri side. If I go to any of the county squares, other than really Jackson County, but still you can find them, there's door front attorneys, window front attorneys. The county where I live in is Johnson County, Kansas. You go to Olathe, which is a county seat, and just walk the block around the county square, and you are going to be able to see attorneys that have a shop set up outside the window, and you know that they're going to be looking for businesses. So it's really easy. If you want, walk in, grab a card. These attorneys are gold mines. And so by just using a recorder on a phone app, you can go home, have a whole list of people to contact, and they're going to want to do business with you. All right, that's it for finding attorneys. We'll see you on the other side. All right, let's talk about lead generation for attorneys. And this is where the rubber meets the road and you're going to make your money. With lead generation, the main thing, your clients, I don't care what industry they're in, they want results, they want new clients, they want new business, they want their business to grow. If they say they want their website placement to be better, to do SEO, secretly what they're telling you is they want more leads, they want more customers, they want more business. And the problem that offline consultants will run into sometimes is, you'll design a website with a squeeze page, hoping to get more traffic. You'll improve the SEO. You'll have targeted events on social media, but it's kind of a, hope method, hoping that it pays off. This process is simple. You order the leads from the attorneys. We'll walk through the process a little bit later, but first, this is how lead generation works for them. First, we want to start small. We want to test your market, and we want your attorney to test the market as well. So he's going to test and see how these leads work out for him as well. We're going to test the market with the advertising and what can generate the highest quality of leads as well. Everything's going to be white labeled. It comes basically means advertising is going to look like it's something you did, not an agency. So your clients aren't going to really even know we exist. So after the trial, we'll see how it works out, determine how many leads that we can provide, get with you, and then we can kind of take it from there. My company has a lead generation service. It's leadreseller.com. The opportunity here for you is to just charge, if you want a per lead basis, great. If you want to do a monthly fee, great. It doesn't really matter. We understand the needs of the attorneys, the people that we work with, and we understand the legal, ethical marketing that has to be done as well. Let's get into a little bit of as far as cost per click for attorneys. And this is a cost per click. It's not just a lead. So different attorneys are going to pay up to anywhere from $300 to $900, and that's in the top 16 ranking. If I drop it down to 59 through 75, still you're looking at $200 per click. Here's another example. If we charged on a local basis, Atlanta personal injury attorney, where the costs are anywhere from $90 all the way to $211. So the thing is that you have the opportunity to have leads that you will purchase for $25 a lead. And the great thing about it is that you're going to get paid by your client before you ever order the leads. So once you order the leads, then those we'll take over from there, and then it's just a simple process to keep building this business. All right, we will see you on the other side.